Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. What if I told you that drinking a single cup of this ancient herbal tea before bed could help you sleep deeply and wake up refreshed, while also aiding your liver's natural detox process overnight? Keep watching to uncover the science-backed secret to better sleep and a healthier liver, and learn exactly how to make this miraculous bedtime beverage. Your liver is your body's main detox organ, working tirelessly to filter toxins from your blood, break down hormones, and metabolize nutrients. When overloaded with toxins from processed foods, alcohol, medications, and environmental pollutants, it can become sluggish and congested. This not only hinders your body's detoxification abilities, but also disrupts your sleep-wake cycle and circadian rhythms. Poor sleep and liver function are closely connected. Your liver is most active at night, cleansing your blood and body while you sleep. An overworked liver can leave you restless, and sleep deprivation further impairs liver function, creating a cycle of insomnia and toxic buildup. The good news is you can assist your liver's nightly cleanup and get better sleep by drinking a special evening detox tea. This potent herbal formula stimulates liver detoxification, reduces inflammation, and promotes deep, restful sleep. The key ingredients include 1. Dandelion root. This common weed is a liver detoxifying superfood. The bitter compounds in dandelion root stimulate bile flow, helping your liver break down fats and filter toxins. Dandelion is also a mild diuretic that flushes excess fluid and waste products from your body overnight. 2. Milk thistle. The active compound silymarin in milk thistle is a powerful liver protectant and antioxidant. It helps regenerate liver cells, reduce inflammation, and enhance detoxification. Studies show milk thistle improves insomnia and sleep quality in people with liver disease. 3. Turmeric. The bright yellow spice turmeric contains curcumin, a potent anti-inflammatory that soothes an irritated liver and aids detoxification. Curcumin also crosses the blood-brain barrier, increasing serotonin and melatonin, which regulate sleep. 4. Lemon balm. Traditionally used for insomnia and anxiety, lemon balm increases GABA, a neurotransmitter that slows down nerve activity in your brain, helping you unwind and fall asleep. It also supports liver detoxification. 5. Ginger. Ginger root supports liver function and healthy digestion. It relaxes your digestive tract so your body can focus on detoxification and cellular repair while you sleep. It also relieves nausea that can disrupt sleep. 6. Chamomile. This soothing herb has been used for centuries to promote sleep. Like lemon balm, chamomile boosts GABA levels to calm anxious thoughts and induce drowsiness. Its antioxidants also support liver health. To make your bedtime liver detox tea, combine 1 teaspoon each of milk thistle, dandelion root, turmeric, ginger, lemon balm, and chamomile in a tea infuser or reusable cloth tea bag. Place the infuser in a mug and pour 1 cup of boiling water over it. Steep for 10 to 15 minutes to extract the active compounds. Remove the infuser and enjoy your tea 30 to 60 minutes before bed. The longer steeping time allows the potent herbal ingredients to release their liver-supportive and sleep-inducing properties. Milk thistle and dandelion start detoxifying your liver, while turmeric and ginger reduce inflammation throughout your body. Lemon balm and chamomile calm your mind and nervous system, preparing you for restful sleep. As you sip the warm, slightly bitter tea, you'll feel your whole body relax and unwind. For deeper liver cleansing and more restful sleep, drink this tea nightly for at least 2 weeks. Support your liver during the day by eating plenty of cruciferous vegetables like broccoli, kale, and cabbage, which activate liver detoxification enzymes. Avoid processed foods, refined sugar, alcohol, and excessive caffeine, which all burden your liver. In addition to your nightly tea, practice good sleep hygiene. Stick to a regular sleep schedule, even on weekends. Create a relaxing wind-down routine before bed, such as taking a warm bath, reading a book, or doing gentle stretching. Turn off screens at least 1 hour before bed, as blue light can interfere with melatonin production and make it harder to fall asleep. Make your bedroom a dark, quiet, and cool sleep sanctuary. Invest in a comfortable mattress, pillows, and bedding. Consider using blackout curtains or an eye mask to block out light, and earplugs or a white noise machine to muffle disruptive sounds. Keep the temperature between 60 and 67 degrees Fahrenheit for optimal sleep. As you drink your liver detox tea and drift off to sleep, visualize your liver purifying itself and your whole body sinking into deep rest and healing. Know that with each sip, you're supporting your liver, your sleep, and your overall health. With consistent nightly liver cleansing, you'll soon be sleeping soundly, waking up with more energy, and enjoying better digestion, clearer skin, and a greater sense of well-being. To recap, the recipe is 1 teaspoon each of milk thistle, dandelion root, turmeric, ginger, lemon balm, and chamomile, brewed in 1 cup of hot water for 10 to 15 minutes. Drink 30 to 60 minutes before bed for the best results. Your liver will thank you, and you'll be amazed at how much better you look and feel. If you enjoyed this video, please like it and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to our channel. Sweet dreams.